Cod fishing. Join myself on our cod hunt. Starting in Cornwall, then off to the Bristol Channel, where I'll meet Rodney Carter, our guide, on the Somerset shores.
Fish in his second year of clan, taking the crab bait.
Stay up here. Yeah. This clutch is not very good on this reel.
Next stop, Penharth in Wales, where we're joined by Mark Page and Rod Griffiths to fish aboard the charter boat Leah James, skippered by Russell Moores.
Because it comes up shallow, or is it just because we're tired of meeting?
I heard you were champion on the beach yesterday. You're going to be champion on the boat today as well.
No, it's early days yet.
And Journey's End, more shore fishing on Ogmore Deep with the Welsh Cod Squad, where we catch some double-figure cod on live bait.